Hey, this is Todd with Pack Mule Dumpsters. Today the topic's going to be how we saved ourselves about $40,000 when it comes to marketing and advertising. And the question is, how did we do that? Well, one of our previous videos, you saw that we would bought a fleet of 2 trucks and 39 30-yard dumpsters. We just purchased 39 30-yard dumpsters, and we purchased 2 Kenworth T880 tri-axle trucks. When we got those dumpsters, they were logoed up with the company we bought them from. Their logo was on the side, so they were vinyled on there. And we decided that in order to create revenue, to justify the purchase, we were just going to get those dumpsters out there. And we started getting them out there, and we started getting more out there and more out there. We kind of got away from, wait a second, our name's not on there. And we had some great opportunities that we missed on the side of I-75. I mean, great visibility, and we didn't have anything on there. We didn't have our name. We had the former company's name, which wasn't a competitor. What they did was not really anything competitive against us, but it would have been nice to have our number on there. So we thought, let's get some quotes. Let's figure out how much it's going to cost to get all these dumpsters labeled up with our name, our number, and then hopefully our logo. Got a couple of people who came back without actually seeing them, just kind of telling them. We took pictures, told them what we want, gave them the heights and the dimensions, the length, and our ideas on it. And the cheapest quote we had was somewhere around $900 and $950 each dumpster, because it's a lot of vinyl, it's a lot of time. We thought, well, that's a lot of money. I mean, we want the advertising, but that's a lot of money. So we started talking amongst ourselves. My wife had a Cricut. We're like, well, obviously Cricut's not big enough for what we want. But then we started thinking, what if we just went out and did our own a printing machine, our own vinyl printer, vinyl plotter, and see how that worked out for us. So we started shopping around, and lo and behold, we found some. We found some that were used. We found them close. We went down to Cincinnati, took a look at this system right here, watched it work, watched some stuff being printed off. It's a little bit more overkill than what we need, because what we really need is just this plotter. And I can show you the plotters printed off. These are our numbers that we're sticking on the side of the dumpster. I don't have the 1369 on there, but this is the wasted material from it. We've turned our basement into a workshop here. But as we decided to make the purchase, in my old age, I figured that anymore it's better to go beyond instead of going below what you need to do. We actually bought this printer too, and this printer is really a lot more than what we need. But I didn't want to miss an opportunity because I just didn't know what could come up in the future. Maybe we'll wrap our own trucks, and maybe it's another side business. I don't know. But it was just such a good opportunity, and the technology and the equipment was so neat and so nice that we just couldn't pass on it. So my son's home from college now. His job this summer has been to basically learn this machine, print off these numbers, get the phone number first on the dumpsters, and then we're going to get our name on there, but we want to get the numbers first. We had vinyl ordered, and we're out now, so we're waiting on more. So now we're just going to go hit the numbers. Once we're done with the numbers, we're going to go back through, and we're going to put the Pack Mule on there and our logo. But it's such a great opportunity for us to in the future, any trucks that we buy, we'll be able to vinyl them, or to wrap them if we choose to. It's just one of those things, I guess, you sit and you look at the opportunities, and if you can do it, you should just take advantage of it. And who knows where this will lead us in the future. But just one way that we can talk to you about in your, not just your dumpster business, but business overall. How can you maybe improve? This might be a way that you can have a good relationship with some of your competitors, or get you in with somebody else in the future where you might get more dumpster business. But I'm not saying this is for everybody, or you're in a position where you can do this all the time, but it is something that has worked for us. Now we don't have all of them labeled up yet. I think we got about 7 or 8 of the 39 labeled up. We have more. As you can see, we've got some sitting here waiting as the dumpsters come back into the yard. We're going to wash them down. All of them have been stripped, so we just need to wash those dumpsters down, wipe them down, get the numbers on, and go from there. So that's just one of the tips. You know, we're striving to, in our videos, to help you guys understand how we do things. Maybe you have ideas on how we could do it better, but just thoughts on how we do it. And as usual, you know, if check in with us and like and subscribe to our channel, and please leave some comments. We answer all the comments. Appreciate you watching.